Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 not opening any program. So to fix this error, first thing you have to do, click on start, then search here regedit, open registry editor. Now here guys, firstly click on file and export, select all and save it. So if you need, so you can restore your registry editor. Now let's start to resolve this problem. Firstly, expand HKey class root. Now here guys, you have to find out .exe, this one, .exe. So double click on it. Here you will see the default. Double click on it. And make sure here is the written exe file, validata exe file. If you see something's different, so you type this text exe file, then okay. Now similarly, one thing more you have to do, find out this exe file. So find out this exe file, this time this one without dot, and double click on it. And here you will see the default, double click on it. And here you type this value, quotation mark and percentage sign, 1 quotation mark, percentage sign and star. So you have to type this command. I will give in description if you need. So just type this command line here, double quotation mark, percentage sign, 1, double quotation mark, percentage sign and star. Click on OK. Similarly, expand shell and double click on open. Here double click on default. Similarly, type this command here. Then click on OK. Now close and restart your system. So this is the setting guys, you can fix and resolve Windows 11 not opening any program. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.